Mao ni ang different definition of happiness. So, mangutana ko ninyo. What is happiness is a journey or a destination or a journey? So, destination or a journey, ang destination mo nitong largo-largo lang kanang nang padayon lang gid ang iyang mga kuan yang pagkuan na niyang kinabuhi. Kanang diretso lang or kanang journey nga napay may experience or napakay maagian para makuha na nimo ang imong mga unsa na ana. So ang narpo na sa inyo at asa inyo destination or a journey. Kamo ra po mapili. Respect. So nakoy kuan diri naay duha ka nana kaning hedonia o eudaimonia. So hedonistic or eudaimonia. Sa hedonistic view of well-being is that happiness is the polar opposite of suffering. The presence of happiness indicate the absence of pain. Because of this, hedonists believe that the purpose of life is to maximize happiness which minimize misery. So, makita ang ginyo dira na dira nakabold kaning the absence of pain. So, kaning the absence of pain meaning ani unhappiness and also their reason why. So ang kuan ani, so ang rason ani kung na kay kuan para na kay purpose of life, kailangan jud nimo i-maximize or dungagan nimo or gumawa ka ng paraan para ma-experience ang imong happiness at ma-lessen kung unsa imong raramdamang lungkot. So sa eudaimonia is a terms that combine the Greek word for good and spirit to describe the ideology. Eudaimonia define happiness as the pursuit of becoming a better person. So eudaimonia daw kay mo ni they explain that happiness is